Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are looking at a product called Howdyads. Please like and subscribe for the latest updates.
Howdyads is a software and training package aimed at people who want to make money online. The software allows users to create professional ads that are perfectly designed for social media, whilst the training helps you to understand how to construct an ad in order to make profit. Created by Reshu Singhal and managed by Archana Ramani, this product has been named the world's #1 ad creation suite. So, let's take a closer look.
If you would like more information about Howdyads, please check out the description below for more information. You will also find further information about an exclusive bonus being offered by MakeMoneyOnline.zone. Feel free to chat with me in the comments section below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.